It's about to be chaotic. Daytona Talladega is probably the first, I'd imagine. It's not because they want that to happen. It's because the truck behind them is making it happen. Probably Daytona because they race every year. Talladega sometimes they don't. All right, 5 to go. Rogero Chastain. Green flag. Oh, big wiggles. Oh, the 17's around, and the 17's in the 15. No, they're all wrecking. The 15, the 44, the 98, the 38, the 51. I think that's the 15. I don't know if I already said that. The 44 is killed. Holy crumbly. Holy stop holy. Oh, Chastain's. Jesus Christmas. Wow. Parachute. 19. Hemrick's killed. Somehow Corey the Joy is still heat. Corey, what the fuck are you doing behind the wrecked truck?
Great shot to win with a lot of damage for him.
Hey, you remember O-7, who we said we're still gonna win? Well, his chances just got better.
No, cause I swear to God, if Corey the Joy wins, I'm actually gonna fucking freak the hell out. Hocevar just got fucking lucked. Lucky bastard. It was like an average iRacing start.
This is a mess. We thought it would be aggressive.
Alright, there you are. They were not lying. 44 got loose, 15 got loose, 17 got loose. The whole top 5 got loose. 17 just snaps right there. Into the 44. Into the 15. Into the 81. 11. 19. 13. 31. 91. 98 thinks he won the race. 99 almost got involved in it. I don't know if I missed anyone else. I mean, everyone. Basically, the whole top 20. No way. Corey the Joy's in the damn lead. Woo! 33. Frankie Muniz lucky. Yeah, that's like the whole field. There was like barely anyone that wasn't at least tapped in that.
That's exactly what happened.
Yeah, literally both lanes at the same time. Because it's not even like some people actually escaped. I mean, even the 33 got a little bit of damage. Everyone. If you say that, you're dumb. I'm sorry. Alright, let's watch Carson as well. See what the hell happened to him. He just sees it and he checks immediately. I mean, yeah, the 11's done. Well, not done, but he's killed. This race has been so fucking good.
And he can wait all the way until that last white stripe before he goes if he wants to.
Yeah, that was just the second row, just where they know they had to be aggressive. We talked about how aggressive it was going to be. And
0. 33 probably has a bit of damage. Not much, but probably like a little bit, a couple scrapes, something. Corey on. Right on board with Frankie Muniz. See what the hell he saw. Woo! He did good! Woo! Frankie Muniz did such a fucking good job.
It's been a decent day for Frankie Muniz, having the best run we've seen, Michael and Regan, since Daytona.
Stayed on the lead lap all day long.
Alright.
Such a good fucking job. Now, Corey the Joy, I swear to God, if he fucking wins this race, I'm actually gonna like be what the fuck. Like, generally.
That we're gonna be talking about that are gonna be in contention for the win. That was one of the wildest restarts.
That was one of them.
Look at Corey Heim and the damage.
Another day that what could have been for Corey Heim had that electrical gremlin and then gotten that big crash here at the end.
Corey like 29 laps.
Grass. Blue grass.
That they drove to the pit road.
Corey Heim's pit stall right there. Clearly, as he went through the grass, and any of these trucks that went through the grass, probably a concern for him, right? Gonna have
A little bit of speed, yeah. There it is. No, not the prime.
A lot of work for the grounds crew tonight. Let's listen to Corey Heim's radio.
Slow down, going into the restart zone, and then never shut up. I mean,
mean, that's exactly what we saw.